20. What is the speed of Apache JMeter? Apache JMeter is around 10 times faster than existing software. 21. What is Apache JMeter used for? Apache JMeter is used for performance testing web applications, web services, LDAP, databases, and shell scripts. 22. What programming language is Apache JMeter written in? Apache JMeter is written and developed using Java. 23. What are the automation possibilities with Apache JMeter? Apache JMeter offers various automation possibilities and can load and perform tests on different server types, including web, HTTP, HTTPS, database, and JMS. 24. How to use Apache JMeter? To use Apache JMeter, navigate to the Apache JMeter folder and select the JMeter, and open the JMeter window. Heat test plan element stores all elements used for performance testing. 25. What is the importance of JMeter? JMeter is a software tool for performance testing. It creates a request and sends it to a server. The tool collects service responses, visualizes them in charts or graphs, and processes them. The test results are then generated in text, XML, and JSON formats. 26. What is load testing? Load testing evaluates an app's performance when numerous people use it. It defines system performance in real-world situations like a printer or mail server with thousands of users. Load testing also finds hardware, network, memory, and software configuration problems with web, application, and database servers. JMeter training. Explore course content. 27. What are the options for setting up a thread group in JMeter? The options for setting up a thread group in JMeter include action after an error, number of threads, ramp-up period, loop count, and scheduler. 28. How do you add an HTTP request to a thread group in JMeter? To add an HTTP request to a thread group in JMeter, right-click on the thread group and select the sample option. Then, add a server name or IP and a link to a website like Simplilearns. 29. What is load testing, and what is its purpose? Load testing is a technique used to determine an application's maximum operating capability and performance under different load conditions. Its purpose is to help determine the number of concurrent users an application can support without performance deterioration. 30. What are some of the tools used for load testing? Some tools used for load testing include Apache JMeter, WebLoad, Load UI, Load Runner, NeoLoad, and Load Ninja. 31. What is the difference between load testing and stress testing? Load and stress testing are techniques used to determine an application's performance under different load conditions. However, load testing is focused on determining the number of concurrent users an application can support without performance deterioration. In contrast, stress testing is focused on pushing an application to its limits by testing it beyond its maximum capacity. 32. What is data-driven, and how does it relate to load testing? Data-driven is the process of extracting useful information from large datasets. It is often used with load testing to analyze performance data and identify areas for improvement. This can help improve user satisfaction and ensure the application continues to meet user demands. 33. How do you set up a thread group in JMeter? To set up a thread group in JMeter, right-click on the Performance Testing section and select the Thread Group option. Then, select the desired options, including the number of threads and loop count. 34. What is JMeter, and what does it demonstrate? JMeter is a load testing tool that demonstrates its use on various operating systems. 35. What are the two sections in the JMeter window? The JMeter window is divided into two sections, the test plan elements and their configurations. 36. What is a test plan in JMeter? A test plan is a container where all elements, requests, and listeners are stored. 37. What are the available options for adding listeners in JMeter? The number of threads, ramp-up period, loop counter, and scheduler are also available.